Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we will see a simple example of sheet metal, or we will see how to use the simple and few commands in SolidWorks. We will cover maximum all the commands. I hope you like it. So let's see how to make a simple part in sheet metal, and after creating this part you can shift it into the machine for your further operation. I hope you like it. So let's see. Now here let's start. We will see a simple example for sheet metal tools. We will do it by sheet metal tools. So let's see. Let's create one simple geometry. Let's say top plane sketch. Choose center rectangle. Draw a rectangle and define it. 200 by 200 millimeter. Okay. Now this is our geometry. Now go to sheet metal. If you don't have sheet metal here, just right click on the ribbon on this main tab and select here sheet metal. We don't want surface, so delete it. Now select here base flange. Now see, make thickness 2 millimeter and see it's going down, so make it reverse. We have too many options, and here we have how much material going to stretch or something like this, bending allowance you can say it. Sometime you can select it bend table, but for bend table we will see this option later. Choose K factor, default 0.05, select OK. Let's define the glossy blue. Okay. Now keep here perspective, so look your image perfect. Now we will see one more command, edge flange. Select edge flange and select these two outer edge. Once you select, it will ask you just drag it, and wherever you want to fix, just click. Select second type. Okay. Now this is what we created. Now here this is by default radius, and if you want to change radius you can change it by yourself. Let's make 2 millimeter. Angle we will keep for 90 degree, and the length let's say we will keep according to our requirement. Let's say 30 millimeter. And here these are the outer virtual sharp. These are the, if you will check here, see all three are different. And here flange position we selected inside. If we select outside, see it's come out, it's come more out. It is also selected as a center point, this point. So this one we will keep as it is. And bend allowance, it is a default K factor 0.5. Later we will see how we will fix the bend allowance. Now that's perfect. 30 millimeter. Okay. Now again select edge flange. Select this end up, this end up. Okay. Now here we will see default radius 2 millimeter, 90 degree, and let's say 15 millimeter. And this one always we prefer outer virtual sharp and material inside. Okay. Now see, edit feature, and here select trim side bend. Now you will see here, see it's going to cut. Now we will see one more feature, if there is a properties of sheet metal, right click, edit, and here you can set your radius. Let's say 2 millimeter. Okay, it's by default. Now we will see one more feature of edge flange. Select this edge flange, drag it, and make it let's say 38 millimeter. Now here we want to change this dimension and geometry, so select here edit flange. Now edit. Now select this face, normal. Now this is what option we have. Select line, anything you can make according to your requirement. Okay, choose trim entities and trim it. Now this is the our main geometry. Okay, if you want to define it, it's up to you, you can define it. Okay, any dimension you can make it. Select here back. Now this is the our geometry what we are going to define with the help of edge flange. Everything you can just keep as it is. Dimension is up to you, if you like 37, 38, 40, 40 millimeter. Keep trim side bend, so you will get a gap in between. Okay, now see, this is what our geometry. Now go to feature, and here we will see hole wizard, how we will fix a hole. So let's say countersunk metric, and here let's select countersunk head cap screw, M4, keep normal, and select here through all. Take position, press and put. Just select dimension and define it. 17 millimeter. $15mm. Okay, now select here. Okay, now that's it, we added some countersunk hole. And here in sheet metal there is one more option, simple hole. Just select the hole, select the body, just drag it. We want to fix this corner, and make radius 3mm, and select here link to thickness. It means it will cut only up to thickness. Okay, now see, that's it. Now in the same way we will do it another side, edge flange. Now select here edit flange, edit, select this plane, take it normal view, and you can define it, is up to you. 25 by 25 millimeter. Choose here straight slot, exit, select both the circles equal. Let's define it. Keep gap 12mm, 6mm, 12 millimeter. Okay, vertical, that's it. Delete this relation. Select this both the internal line, make it equal. Now define it 12 millimeter, 12.5 millimeter, and keep the radius 2.5 millimeter. Okay, now select here back. Okay, now see, so this is our flange is created. Now if you like to mirror it, just select any particular plane, choose right plane, here select mirror, and select these two geometry 1 and 2. Even you can select it from here, drop down the menu. Okay, we forget to add these holes, so edit, directly here select this hole and this flange. See, it's going to add here. Select OK. Now it's added. See, select this face, sketch. Now here we want to add some fillet. We will add some straight slots. Let's define it 10 millimeter and choose distance 10 millimeter, and the distance from here 15 millimeter, 3 millimeter. Okay, now go to sheet metal. Here you will find extruded cut option. See, you can select it here through all, means it's going to cut in opposite direction also. Select OK. Now see, now let's try to make multiple number of patterns. So feature, select here linear pattern, select any X feature faces, select this cutout. Now see here, number of patterns. Distance you can change according to your requirement, and this is the number of patterns. Okay, now see, we created a ventilation holes in sheet metal part. See, this is a kind of ventilation holes. Now select this face, sketch normal, choose here polygon. Let's make octagon. Exit, select one of the edge, make relation horizontal, and let's make the distance 100 millimeter, or do one thing, just to make it it should be little bigger, so we will 120 millimeter. Okay, choose rectangle, $40 millimeter, $150 millimeter. Okay, now select, go to sheet metal, select here extruded cut. Here you can define the faces and select here link to thickness. Okay, now see, we cut it here. If we like to edit this flange size, edit, select this face, edit flange. Now select this face. If suppose let's make 50 millimeter by 50 millimeter, it's going too big. Forty by 40. Let's make this one 20 millimeter. This gap also make it let's say 20 millimeter, and this let's change first this gap 20 millimeter, 10 millimeter. Select here back. Okay, now see, we modified it. You can see it here. So it is automatically modified in mirror. Now here we will see a very important command, ham. Select ham, select this one edge. Now it is asking you, there is two option, material inside and see bend outside, material inside. We will keep, okay, let's keep this one. And here you can select closed. See, this is the closed one, this is open, this is teardrop, and the last one is rolled. Rolled, you can decide how much you want. You can select the C, 270 degree it looks. So we will select this rolled one, and diameter, let's check 2 millimeter. K factor, it's according to default. Select here edit with width. Now we will adjust the height here. Smart dimension defined. Let's make full length 150 millimeter. $30 millimeter. 160 millimeter. It's look in center position. Back. Select here OK. Now see, this is the rolled hamming we did. It is very useful for making hinge and door hinges. Now if you want to make it in opposite direction, just make mirror, right plane, feature, and select mirror. Select this ham body. OK. Now it is mirror. Now let's try to make a mirror ham here, flat closed ham. So sheet metal ham. Better do one thing, edge flange. Select this edge, make it 30 millimeter. Make little 25 millimeter. outside material, let's say material outside. See, material going to be outside. If you will select inside, it's going down. So let's choose outside. Trim side bend. Okay. Now let's try ham here. Ham. Select this outer edge and this time choose closed. Length, you have to decide how much length you like to add. See, 10 millimeter we added. This is the bend outside and bend material inside. Okay. Now see, a kind of ham we created here. Now let's try to make bend to these two faces. So select here one option, sketched bend. Now it is asking you in which plane you want to create a bend. So select this face, normal. Okay, choose here line. Exit. Now let's define it. 20 millimeter. This is the main distance. Now select exit. Now it is asking you bend parameter 90° or how much you want to like. Material inside, material outside, and bend outside. So let's keep this one. Center line. We have to select here face. See, this face we selected. Now you can see the preview. Angle you can change 45°, 90°. See, radius by default. Okay. See, we make a bend at center point or center line. Now here let's see some more interesting features in SolidWorks. Base flange. Now it is asking which flange you want to create. Select this flange, normal. Select here corner rectangle. Exit. Now let's 2 millimeter, 2 millimeter. Make it 50 millimeter. Okay. Exit. Select here circle. Now let's define it. 10 millimeter, and this is by default 15 millimeter. Make 8 millimeter. Okay. Now select both the circles, make relation equal. Okay. Now exit from the sketch and a window will appear. 2 milli thickness and make it reverse direction. Let's check it's okay along with merge result. Okay, no need reverse. That's it. Now here a very important feature, jog. Two bends from a sketch line. So select this jog, select this face plane and choose here line, and you have to create the line from where you start your bend. So let me choose this corner to this corner. Exit. If you want, you can define it, it's up to you. Delete this both the lines, just drag it little. That's it. You can define it also. let's say 8.5 millimeter. Now exit. Now the jack window comes. It is asking fixed surface, so select this surface. Once you select this surface, it will show you some preview. Clear. uh, Before you selecting this face fix, you have to select this side of line, not this side. Select this side. Now that's perfect. If you select this side, it's look perfect. See, here you can define the height 20 millimeter. Reverse direction, now it is in bottom position. See, upward position. And this is the thickness what you want to define. Fixed projection length, if you will unchecked, see, it's going back and going to take this position. If you unchecked, just reduce this 10 millimeter, then unchecked. That's it. Now see, after syncage it would be like this. Angle you can change it according to your requirement. See, 90 degrees is better. Here you can define the material, center line, bending is center line or outside or inside. There are many options. It's up to you what you like. Let's say this one, bend outside. Then okay, these are the main functions. Select OK. Now see, our hole become distort. So edit. Now this one is better than choose center line. This is also not better. Material inside. Okay. Now here the hole is clearly looks better. Now tab 1, this geometry what we created, we will just mirror it. Go to feature, mirror, select here right plane. Okay. See, now here also we will try some jog command. So select here jog, select this face, choose here line, select one end to another end, and 8.5 millimeter. Now exit. Now here select this side of face. Now here it is asking if you will fix project length, then it will, your length will be similar to this one. Unchecked, then it will go back because the material will bend it here. This one, material inside, is better option for us. Okay, that's it. So now this is a simple example of sheet metal, what we did with the help of sheet metal. Just come down, unsuppress, see, suppress, or even go to sheet metal and here select flatten. Now this is the our geometry which is ready for the machining. Now you can directly convert it into DXF file and save as a DXF file and use in the machine or wherever you like to use it. Unflatten. So now this is the simple example of sheet metal. Now here we will see one more command, corners. break corner, trim corner. Select here, see chamfer and fillet. If you will select or select this face, it will automatically select the corners. See, if you like you can change it 3 millimeter. Either select fillet. See, it's converted into fillet or chamfer. Let's uncheck this too. Keep chamfer. Okay. See, if you like this one sharp edge, choose your fillet. Select these two faces, and it's going to create a circle 3 millimeter. See, so this is the simple example of sheet metal parts. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our videos, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.